Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by the red box and that big old company logo right there, you know we're going to take a look at something by Kershaw. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I thought about what came in that box. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe, please take a look down in one of these two little corners. I bet it's going to be down here. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Please go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Now, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at an oldie but a goodie by Kershaw, the Swerve. And that's this guy right here. Big, beefy son of a bitch. It just feels great in the hand. The only thing that I just go, is its opening device. When you're carrying it, you have that big old dorsal fin right out of the back. Yeah. Now, we're going to get into everything else here in just a moment. But I got to tell you, I got this in the April 2019 Poor Man's Preparing Prep box. Look right up there. There's going to be a card sitting right up there for every single PMP prep box that we have brought to the channel. There's lots of quality gear in there. Take a look at some of those reviews. You may be impressed by what you see. Now, when I got it, I opened the box and I went, okay. It's got that stonewash finish, which you guys know I absolutely adore here on the channel. I love the heavy weight to it. I love how it sits in my hand. One of the things I didn't like, and I've never been a fan of the Kershaw K design on their handles. I haven't. That K texture, I don't like it. But that's just me. So let's get into some stats and have some fun. It's got an overall length of 7.25 inches. The blade is a good 3 inches. And close, it's 4.25. It's got a heavy weight of 4.8 ounces. Now, it is done in a massively weird drop point style. Talk about a modified one. It's got a flat grind with a plain edge. And the steel is just 8CR 13 MOV. Now, I know, it's a budget steel. When this blade came out, okay, they were charging an arm and a leg, but nowadays, all right, they're not. As I showed you, it does have the stonewash finish. It does have their speed safe open. Kind of ratchets out there. Now, you can open it either by the dorsal fin or the two thumb studs. Now, I will be honest, ow, motherfucker. See, you just saw me do it again. I don't have much success with the thumb studs. I always seem to fall into that trap where I push and go right onto the blade and try to pull back quick. So I just stick with the thumb studs. I know I need a little practice with this guy because every single one just seems to be, yeah, of course I get that one right, different. As you saw, it does have a liner lock, little stainless steel frame in there. Now you can reverse the pocket clip. There is the way to do it right there with that little screw. So you can carry this left hand, right hand carry, but it's only tip up. Now, like I said, the handle is glass-filled nylon with the Kershaw K texture. And in case you're wondering, I mean, big huge surprise, is made in China. No big deal to me, you know. I mean, lots of blades are made over there, so who cares, right? I just love that stonewash. I seriously, truly do. Now, let's have a little fun. All right. No problem there. Now let's go slow and see what we can get. Ooh, do you see that? It gave me that, but I don't know if that was just me holding it wrong or it was actually tearing, because I'm not seeing any yellow paper on the blade itself. Alright, paracord. No problem on that pull. Let's go for a slice. No problem. and our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oops. Probably because I was pressing too hard over there. Let's try that again. There we go. Lots better. And just for looking, I don't see where it's picking up any flakes on the blade itself. Probably just the paper. Yeah, you can see how it's tearing right through there. Alright, let's start one really, really clean and see what happens. Oh well. Alright, a little bit of paper, no biggie. Okay, so now's the fun time of the video. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. Let's talk about this guy. I want to know what you think. Have you ever earned a Kershaw Swerve? Have you really screwed around with one? Seen testings by one? I don't know. I want to know. I also want to know, do you think it's nice? Or a big old F-bomb? Nice? Or the old F-bomb? Kind of want to know, because I'm kind of on the fence on this guy. Now for the fun part. Let's talk cost. Okay? Now, generally, whenever I'm getting stuff in subscription boxes nowadays, basically putting what they have to buy it at, or what their retailer puts it at, aside. I looked on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Now, when I wrote everything down for stats and everything on April 15th, 2019, on Blade HQ, it was $17.99. Over on Kershaw, $41.99. And on Amazon, $18.40. It's been reviewed 4 times on Blade HQ, and it got a 3.25 out of 5-star rating. 17 reviews on Kershaw for 5 out of 5, and 253 on Amazon for a 4 out of 5. But there we are, guys. You know, let's do the whole wrap-up thing here. Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for giving me a moment of your time. I know your time is very precious to you, and I'm very grateful that you gave me some of it, and hopefully I gave you something in return. For you long-time viewers and you first-time guys who did not subscribe at the beginning of the video, man, look down below, right down there. There's going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Should bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's sitting right next to it. Why? Great question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, that's right, 2 are going to be popping up over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Swerve. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.